Good morning. We'll start now with our daily verses. This is my book, Verses of My Heart. It is August 12, and don't you know that August 12 is the birthday of my, best. So the title here is Alone to Church. It is August 12. The verse is, Fear none of those things which thou shalt suffer. Behold, the devil shall cast some of you into prison, that ye may be tried, and ye shall have tribulation 10 days. Be thou faithful unto death, and I will give thee a crown of life. Revelation 2, verse 10. So that is all about August 12. Anyway, I will just read it later. And hey, this is now my roommate. That is Jojo. Unya na Grizel, wala pa ka. That is Jojo. Look at her. Kinsa na siya, Joy?
Birthday celebrant karong adlaw.
Yeah, happy birthday to you. Puim ka, Joy. Sir, mo gyapon na yung gistadihan. Ay, wala na ito na. Erase ito mong video. And that is now, Grizel. Unsa na pa rin gistadihan, Grace? In-trip kagabi, Earth Science. Anyway, gi-erase ito na mo ang video kagabi. So, si Axel, and si Axel karon nag-exam na. Kasi ito gistadihan ni Axel gabi.
Bakit po?
Wow, grabe. Nag-chorus silang duha. Nag-duet silang duha. Oh, ano nga, duet, duha gina. So anyway, karon unsa akong studihan. Again, teaching profession nga book. So here is my book. The teaching profession. Because I am an education student. Anyway, this is me, Borge, and that is now Grizel. And that is Joy, and that is Fatima. Come over here. That is Fatima.
Kuan kanang sutawan ay kanang dili ampo na mo.
Ano na siya ang punta? Gawin ko na siya. Hi, Pat! Hello. Gabi ka effect. Naka-exam, Pat. Ano day ka-exam. Anyway, suruyo na ito gamay ka. Anyway, maximum man pa. Grace? Yes. Isuroy na ako, Grace, ha? Para makakita mo. Anyway, that is our main door. This is the room 1. We will look at their bed. That is room 1. See their bed? Not messy. Messy of those papers only. And anyway, this is room 2. This is Alona's bed, Fatima's bed, the girl over there. And this is Jennifer. Very clean, quite clean. Anyway, that is my baggage. And here is the room 3. Oh, see? Quite nice, not messy. See, this is my bed, and that is my bed, that is my pillow, that is Dreamois, and this is Grizel bed, the owner of the cell phone, and that is Jojo's bed. Lots of dresses and towels. See how very rich. That is Jennifer. Hi, Jennifer. Ano ba yan? And that is Linlin, the beautiful Linlin. Look at her, very sexy. Short. Oh, see her legs, very sexy. And this is room 4. This is room 4. Where is the people in room 4? No comment. See. And this is room 5. Hello. This is room 5. See their beds. Look at their beds. See, very nice beds. Messy. And so this is the pregnant girl. Still sleeping. See, still sleeping. That is the mommy here in our boarding house. She's still sleeping. Hey, Maria. Hello, Maria. This is video. And this is our CR. That one. Hazel! Come. See over here. And that is Hazel. Hi, Lavilia. She's from Ruma. And that is Nemerlin. Hi, Nemerlin. Gutom na ka. That is Alona, the famous one. And that girl is Alona, and this girl is Elona. See? What's your variant? Beef loaf.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice eating, huh? And that, sorry. See how famous she is. That is our stove. Gabi ka stove. And this is our utility area where we will wash our clothes. And that is my dresses anyway. Yeah, that is my dresses. And where are you going, Emeline? Panty, where is the panty? Over there, that's the panty. Where is the panty? That's the panty of Emeline. Hi, Alana.
Yeah.
What time is your exam?
9.
9. See how beautiful she is. You cannot see because I'm focusing your face. Later, you will see your face. And hey, that is my umbrella over there. And hey, we have a focus view of Fatima. Hi, Fatima. Yeah, very Chinese girl. Wait, yeah, that is Vanessa. Hi, Vanessa. We just finished, very, what Lots of you know. So see, that's the early morning. It's actually what time? It's 8:50 in my watch. And hey, I'm almost finished with my video, and I'm gonna see the view here in the back. What? See, this is our boarding house. That is the owner of our boarding house. And that is our gate. Bye bye, Jennifer. Where are you going? Our charger. And anyway, our charger area is over there. There, you can see the Jennifer going there. That's Jennifer, wearing blue T-shirt. And there, it's about to gather in the charger area. And then that girl. Bye bye, Jennifer. See, anyway, it's quite little far. Anyway, there's no stealing of cell phone in here, and that's all. Bye bye.